Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, we started the process to tie the hardtop into the salon roof. We made a long rip to expose fresh core, then slid our top into position. 5 posts were then installed with king starboard backing plates. With the top secured, we focused on lacing the seam together with a series of bow tie inlays using West System epoxy and core mat. This connection feels solid, but is just one step in a series of laminations to make this high-stress seam sound.
Well, we've been busy the past few days preparing this surface. You know, with the bow tie inlays in place, that's not enough strength. I mean, it is strong, but I don't want any cracks forming along this seam. So I've been preparing this surface so we could put fiberglass cloth laminations over the top. To do that, first thing I needed to do was grind back the existing deck. I ground it back 6 inches.
It's a windy day today, but we're still making it. Luckily, it's blowing in the right direction away from everyone else. And we have the vacuum all hooked up, so whatever it is that Teal's grinding is going straight in there. So we're trying to contain as much as we can.
With the deck ground back, I then concentrated on starting to fair this out. I used thickened epoxy and just started skim coating and finding low spots, smoothing it out, and for the most part, just filled it in as smooth as I can. I did that because when we put the glass cloth over this, I don't want any waves or humps or anything telegraphing through. So the more I take out now, the smoother it's going to lay down. So one project I had to complete before we started making laminations was to work on this rain catch gutter here. It stopped here when I built this hardtop, and I extended it out. And I did that for a few reasons. Kind of gives it a better look, kind of blends it down into the deck rather than having this abrupt square edge here. But mostly because the water was draining out, I didn't want it just taking this sharp corner and then shooting right down to the daggerboard trunk and then diving onto this lower deck. I want to divert it so it hits this other rain catch down here. That way we not only have this 120 square feet of rain catch up here, we'll have another couple hundred square feet of rain catch down here. All our tankage is forward, so it just makes sense to get all this water as far forward as we can. I still can drill a drain here and put a ball valve on it and be filling jerry cans here if I want to. I got options. Or I could just push everything forward, put a nice filtration system in, and collect all the water before it hits the tanks. So I had to build this little extension. It was pretty simple to do. Looks like everything is ready for glass now. I've hand sanded this out. I feel pretty good about the surface. Everything planes out nicely, so let's get some cloth down. Okay, I've laid this out. I'm going to mark it 12 inches off of this. We're going to be using a 12-inch, 8.37 ounce salvage edge tape. And I'm going to run this up and over drama to this layup with the wind blowing so hard, but I want to get this down. Can't sit around and wait for a calm day right now. We got to get things done.
I like that attitude.
I said it for you. Okay, I'll need, give me like 4 more pumps.
Okay.
So I got this first lamination done. Really fought the wind. I knew it was gonna pick up a little bit. Didn't expect 20-25 today. We had this material flying all over the place, but it all laid down. Feel good about it now. Had to babysit it a bit. Cold though, heading inside. The girls just took Compass for a walk, and I wanted to say something. You know, doing projects day in, day out, just, boy, never ending sometimes it feels like, especially on the hard. On the hard, we have limited facilities, and, you know, I do okay with it. I'm a guy, I could handle anything. It doesn't faze me much, but I know it's tough for the girls. And boy, they're both just such troopers, especially Emma. It's been a rough year for her, you know, not seeing friends and family and having, you know, just kid time. It's been difficult. So I wanted to do something fun. I was looking for ideas to do. And then a patron of ours, Randy, I want to thank you. He lined up an amazing day for us off the boat. And I'm excited to share this with the girls. They don't know yet, but we're not doing any work today.
Now you can have a go as well if you like.
I would love to have a go.
Yeah, so you're welcome to. So what we're going to do today is we're going to depart from Napa County Airport. We're going to fly over San Pablo Bay and San Francisco Bay. Then we're going to go around the Golden Gate Bridge. We'll see Alcatraz, San Francisco, Angel Island, Treasure Island. Cool. We'll fly up the coast. As we go past the northern headlands, you'll see a lot of World War II fortifications that they used to potentially defend San Francisco.
That's right up Emma's alley.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love.
Cool. We'll circle around that a little bit if you like. And then we're going to go. Up the coast, probably up to Bodega Bay. It's really pretty, and we'll come back across the Sonoma and Petaluma valleys back into Napa.
Cool.
We might
That
even get
sounds
to see
like
a boat on the way.
it's going to be a great day. I mean, the weather is just.
So what's the aircraft that we're
It's a Cessna 172 that we'll be flying. It's the most popular single-engine airplane. The Cessna have built over 44,000 of those airplanes. We have 3 of them. We're about to get a 4th Cessna. Basically, we won a brand new 172 from Cessna this
Nice.
month, so we're going to be getting that in a couple of weeks.
How long have you been here, Mike?
And we've been here in Napa for about since June 2019, but we've had a flight school in the Sacramento area for about 5 years.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We're a little excited.
Yeah.
We got our headsets.
Yeah, we got our headsets.
And we are all set to take us a little tour.
Yeah, this is gonna be really cool.
Finally, we get to do something fun, right?
Yeah.
So they're not that heavy.
How much?
About 1,800 pounds.
Wow. That is amazing design.
That was so much fun. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to be able to do something that has nothing to do with boat projects. I think we all needed it, and quite honestly, I am so done with boat projects. So it was so nice.
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was really cool. So I think that because we're kind of going with the same theme of just fun and relaxation, I'm gonna make a special meal for the crew tonight. And I love finger foods, and I have a few ideas in store for them tonight.
Well, what are we having?
You'll see.
Shirley Temple.
And margaritas.
Nice.
Yum.
Oh, look at the spread. Hard
We
day at
worked
work.
today.
It was a good day. Oh, Compass agrees.
Compass is upset that we're having margaritas without him, obviously.
Oh. Once again, the meal looks amazing.
I know. Apparently, we're going to be Neanderthals and just use
Yes.
our fingers.
Yeah.
Of course.
How is that? You like it?
Where do I start?
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. It was so nice to take a break from boat projects to do the flying tour over the San Francisco Bay Area. Extra special thanks to Randy, our patron, and Mike the pilot. I will never forget that flight. It was so awesome. We are back at it on the projects because I think we're almost ready to get back into the water. If you like our videos, please remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment because we love hearing from you. These videos are made possible by our patrons, so thanks guys. If you would like to join our crew, our link is down below. Come back next week to see another awesome new video. See you then!